Entertainment has unveiled the first look at its debut UK origination The Bi Life and will launch the 10-part reality series on October 25. The NBC Universal-backed broadcaster is launching the bisexual dating series fronted by celebrity Big Brother winner Shane Jenek, also known as Courtney Act, at 9 p.m. The show is produced by Monkey, the David Granger and Will Macdonald-run production company that is part of NBC Universal International Studios. Monkey is best known for producing series including E4 reality hit Made in Chelsea and The Real Housewives of Cheshire. It will see a group of bisexual, pansexual and fluid or questioning British singletons sent on an adventure to find love abroad. The Bi Life will be set against the backdrop of Barcelona. The cast will live together, party together and help each other navigate the rocky road of bisexual plus dating as they observe and feedback on each other's experiences.
For some, this will mean exploring who they are, for the very first time. The series will chart their highs and lows as they embark on a life of dating and romance in Barcelona. The show will be exec produced by Monkey's Roz Coward, who said that a show that better reflects diversity has been long overdue. The Bi Life is a modern dating show for a modern generation of daters and he is the perfect home for it, he added. Jenek said, as if this summer hasn't been hot enough, we decided to crank it up another notch with the Bi Life on E! It's high time there was a dating show for the large number of young people today, like me, who are attracted to more than one gender. In 2018 we know that sexuality is fluid and sharing the stories and experiences, the laughter and the love-making, of young bi people is so important.
So get ready to see the true stories of bisexual singles, who are the largest part of the LGBTQ+ community, but the least known.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.